Mindy. So I loaded the first vScope Explorer item into the Blackboard test site, and here's what happens. So I click on it, we're good to go. When I go to click on the link in Blackboard, we get this error page. So I'm not sure where the holdup is. It's just kind of beyond my scope. But whatever's happening, it's not working really well. So what we did instead is, instead of linking to the individual page, we tried linking to the main landing page of vScope. So not ideal. We open a new tab, they log in, and then it works. But when we do this in Moodle, the opposite thing happens. So here's a microbiology item. Opens just fine. We go to the link. Same problem. When we go to the landing page, come on, buddy. And landing page in Moodle. Open it in a new tab. There we go. So basically what we'd like to do is be able to link to the individual items rather than the landing page, because that will be easier for our users to use. And there is something wrong with something that is preventing these from loading. Complicating the issue is that the owner of the database, he hired a web designer to build the website, so he doesn't really have access to this, and he hires him on a contract basis. So we don't have easy access to the guts of the Science Learning Resources, which is the home of the vScope Explorer stuff. So let me know who I need to talk to get this straightened out and what our options are. And yeah, so we'll talk to you soon. Thank you, Mindy.